Hello, this is my pickup Action Sport, bad axle, noisy at 18 kilometers, has a new noisy. I decided to change this my axle to buy new one. All crank and pinion shafts. Buying a new one is the bad news. Very easy after opening this my 4 screw and open shaft out open the screw driver and screw and أماكنه open open not pinion open not pinion at opening this my axle we change a new one lock this notice and new gear oils 95W 140 full synthetic gear oils. Thanks for watching this TV. I am changing this my axle in home very easy.